when they was giving me the interview, that I was forgetting the answers. Like he was asking me questions, and I was telling him that I forgot. So, and the attorney, my lawyer, forgot to somehow tell you that.
You forgot your you forgot where you live?
No, I kept on telling him that I forgot. He kept on.
Okay, thank you. Today's the date scheduled for sentencing in this matter on your client's plea to retail fraud and trespassing. And it appears as though Mr. Epps refused to complete a pre-sentence investigation interview with probation. And when it was brought to this court's attention, the court indicated that he was to complete the interview. So instead of answering any questions, the answer was, I don't know, to many of the questions. And so in that event, the interview did not continue. And then Mr. X refused to provide information and immediately got up and left the video conference. So that seems to be the status of the pre-sentence.
I'm sorry.
Mr. X,
kept asking me questions. I told him that I forgot.
Stop interrupting me. Stop interrupting. You'll have an opportunity in a moment. Let me finish making a record. So, there was also a victim rights letter mailed to Circle K. And then there's a recommendation based upon Mr. Epps' criminal history. And so, counsel, what would you like the court to know?
Well, Your Honor, basically, you know the same thing I've done. I did try to speak to Mr. Epps in the breakout room. At this point in time, all he said was he's been here for 60 days. He did try to, didn't recall certain things, and said, let's get back into court. I have also reviewed the documents that were sent to by Mr. Roberts. The recommendation, it appears, would be some sort of incarceration, regardless of whether or not he had completed the matter in this case. Mr. Epps and I, when we met originally, he informed me that he thought certain matters had been resolved at some time in the past, and therefore, Your Honor, I can only suggest that if the court wants to try to...
Can I say something?
In just a moment, Mr. Epps, you'll have an opportunity, just a moment.
Then we can proceed there. It's my understanding, Your Honor, he has been for 60 days. I'd ask for time served in this particular matter and in this matter.
Can I please say something, Your Honor?
Yes, just one moment. Let me just clarify, Mr. Gopal. On this case, he was arraigned on March 2nd. So I don't know, that does definitely not add up to 60 days. I know I've only had a little bit of coffee so far, but it's definitely not adding up to 60 days. He may have already been in custody in another matter, and then it was brought to his attention, or the attention of Wayne County Jail, that this warrant had been issued. So I'm not sure. We can find that out in just a moment. Mr. Epps, what would you like the court to know?
Can I say something?
You sure may.
I said that when they was giving me the interview, that I was forgetting the answers. Like he was asking me questions, and I was telling him that I forgot. So, and the attorney, my lawyer, forgot to somehow tell you that.
You forgot your you forgot where you live?
No, I kept on telling him that I forgot. He kept on.
Okay.
Well, he kept telling me and shit. Like he kept asking me questions, and I told him that I forgot.
Right. Some of those questions were regarding where you live, your employment,
I forgot.
your relationships with any family members you may have, your education history,
But if I forgot, that's the answer in the first place.
so, sir, do you have any family members?
I forgot.
You don't know if you have any family members.
No, I forgot.
Okay, and where do you recall going?
So do you understand what I'm saying, Judge? Do you?
Well, you're indicating that you forgot what family members you have. And so, where have you gone to school, sir?
Oh no, I forgot.
Have you been diagnosed with any cognitive issues, sir?
Huh? Huh?
Have you, have you been to a doctor, and the doctor's indicated you have any cognitive issue regarding any memory issues?
Yeah.
Okay, and so what is that diagnosis?
I don't know, I forgot.
Okay.
I've been
How
here for
long
60
ago-
days.
Okay, so were you
I missed my
diagnosed
uncle's
by-
funeral. I missed my uncle's funeral, and like, I think I learned my lesson. So
Do you recall what city you live in?
Southgate,
Okay. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
an apartment.
And how long have you lived there?
I forgot.
Okay. Was it only a month before you were arrested?
I
Or
apologize.
was it-
I apologize for doing this stuff.
Okay.
But I forgot. I wasn't being funny. I wasn't like. I forgot. Just forgot.
So when did you last see a doctor, sir? Mr. X, when's the last time you saw a doctor?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know? Okay. Do you, when's the last time you saw your mom?
Huh?
When's the last time you saw your mother?
I forgot.
What about your father? Have you seen your father recently?
No, I forgot.
Do you have any brothers?
I forgot.
Do you have any sisters?
No.
Do you know you don't know, or no, you don't have any
No, I don't have any what?
sisters?
No.
Okay. And do you have any children?
Can we move to the next question?
Do you have any children? That's the next question.
No.
Okay. And so you have an uncle that you said passed away. Do you have any other uncles?
I don't know.
Do you have any aunts?
Yeah.
All right. How many of those do you have?
3.
Okay. And do you have any cousins?
Yeah.
How many of those do you have?
Like 4.
Okay. So, do you work?
Salvation Army. Yeah.
All right. And what do you do at the Salvation Army?
I don't know. I forgot.
How long have you worked there?
I got children and I got a job. And I apologize. It won't happen again. I've been locked up for 60 days. Last time they gave me the interview, I forgot. I just forgot most of the shit.
Okay. So, the court doesn't have any diagnosis for Mr. Epps as far as any sort of cognitive issues. And so, sir, perhaps, during the interview, it appeared from Mr. Roberts' perspective that there was selective, lack of memory at certain points, because you seem to remember some things and not others, which seems to be, upon convenience. So, why have you been in custody for 60 days? You said 60 days, why have you been in custody for 60 days?
I got,
Okay, what does that
I was locked up for 30 days, and then I was locked up for 60 days.
Okay, so what were you locked up for 60 days for, sir? Because on this case, you've been there for 30 days.
Paraphernalia.
Out of which court?
I forgot.
Well, let me try.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
Yeah,
if I may, there was also, there were companion cases back from May of 22. He's been locked up 30 days on this case now from the time of arraignment, but I believe he's referring also to some time back in May of 22 where he was incarcerated on these other charges which were made a global resolution.
well. Wouldn't be on these cases because he failed to appear for all of them, so I never set a bond. Which
Oh, I guess not.
He
Okay.
didn't post it, so not on these matters, but I'm going to find out here on the Third Circuit Court in just one moment.
Thank you.
Court, you pled guilty to trespassing and received 45 days jail. And so that's where this matter must have come up, because he was set to be released and he did a warrant search, and that must be how he ended up coming before the court on March 2nd.
Yeah, I think that's the one. Not to cut you off.
Okay, so, no, that's fine. So I'll give you credit for the time you've been in custody in this matter, but not on the other matter. It has nothing to do with this court. I'm not giving you credit for that time. Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor, I believe that covers everything.
All right, Mr. X, you have quite a few other warrants that have to be taken care of, so you may want to, have a conversation with Wayne County Jail, if they're gonna be zooming into those other courts. All right, anything else?
Nothing on behalf of